Ladies and gentlemen, 33 seats, 4 parties, and each one knows that the next 2 phases of India 2014 of this election is a make or break phase. So what happens when they realize that the caste factor will be decisive? The BJP gives the election a caste spin, and the BSP will defend its territory. Modi's attempt to counter Mayawati has met an unprecedented response from the BSP chief tonight.
नीच जाति में पैदा होना गुनाह है क्या?
In the slog overs of this poll's summer blockbuster, Narendra Modi adopting a fresh strategy. A strategy that seems to have been inspired from Priyanka's barb at him last night.
आप मुझे बताइए, नीच जाति में पैदा होना गुनाह है क्या? नीच जाति में बड़ा होना गुनाह है क्या?
BJP's prime ministerial candidate giving a caste spin to Priyanka Gandhi's attack on him, where she accused him of practicing neech rajniti for insulting her father in Amethi.
सब गरीबों को अपमानित कर रहे हैं और भाइयों बहनों, जो सोने की चमचने के पैदा हुए उनको गरीबी का पता क्या होगा?
And coincidentally, Modi choosing to show allegiance to backward castes at the exact same time when the BJP is pushing to make a mark in Maya's stronghold, eastern Uttar Pradesh.
श्री नरेंद्र मोदी आज इस मुद्दे की आड़ में घिनौनी राजनीतियां उत्तर प्रदेश में करते रहे हैं। यदि ये पिछड़े वर्ग से ताल्लुक रखते हैं तो इनको अपनी जाति बताने में तकलीफ क्यों हो रही है? इनको बताना चाहिए कि वो किस जाति से पिछड़े वर्ग में हैं।
If the BSP were to conquer most of the anti-incumbent vote against the SP in the state and the Congress at the center, and if its vote share were to just rise from 28 to 35 up there, and the SP and the Congress be the losers, the BSP has the potential to double its seat tally from 10 to 20. And that truly explains why the BSP's silent campaigning on the ground could indeed be the major threat to the BJP's plans in this region.
Expectedly, what could be seen as convenient interpretation, sparking a political tug of war.
व्यक्ति या विचार के प्रति कभी नीच शब्द का प्रयोग नहीं होता। जिस किसी व्यक्ति ने इस शब्द का प्रयोग किया है वो पूरे देश से क्षमा मांगे।
अब उनको शायद इतनी समझ नहीं है कि नीच राजनीति और जो वो कह रहे हैं उसमें बहुत भारी अंतर है, और समझ में कभी कभी मोदी जी कभी समझने में उनको थोड़ी मुश्किल होती है और कभी समझना ही नहीं चाहते।
As the Bahujan Samaj Party poses a formidable challenge for the BJP in eastern UP, it would be politically naive to believe that Narendra Modi's caste spin to Priyanka's barb has nothing to do with the BJP's efforts to make inroads in the region. Bureau Report, Times Now. On the News Hour tonight, why has Modi pulled out the caste card in the slog overs of a prolonged election?